Hey, today I'm going to share with you how to make these Whole30 cookies with banana and chocolate. They are absolutely delicious and healthy. So we're going to start by getting 2 ripe bananas, and I'm going just to peel them and add them into a glass bowl that's a little smaller. And I'm actually going to mash them with a fork. Take your time to do that. It's pretty easy, but you want to make the mash as smooth as possible. I'm then going to add in a half a cup of almond butter and mix the 2 ingredients as well as I can together. Take your time to do that. I'm then going to take a separate bowl and add in my dry ingredients into it. I'm going to start with half a cup of almond flour, 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. Then we're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. So yes, we're going to combine all of these dry ingredients together. Take your time to do that. Give them a good mix. Since I used a smaller bowl to mash the bananas, I'm actually going to transfer my wet ingredients into a bigger bowl. I'm going to then add in my dry ingredients slowly. I'm separating them in 3 parts and just adding them in and mixing the dough. We mix everything until it's well combined and the dough will be quite thick at this point. Finally, I'm going to fold in half a cup of raisins. Take your time to nicely do that, and then we're going to take a cookie scoop that's 2 tablespoons large, and I'm going to scoop out the batter nicely because then we want to line our baking sheet with parchment paper and we want to scoop the batter onto the baking sheet. Take your time to do that. We're going to divide them nicely so there's enough space for them to cook. I'm making a total of 12 servings here, and then we're going to flatten each bowl of dough just so it forms the shape of a cookie. It might be a little sticky, but stick with it and just get it done. Finally, we're going to bake our cookies in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes in total at 350 Fahrenheit degrees. Once they're baked, they're quite sweet, but naturally there's no added sugar to them. So you can use these cookies and meal prep them. You can have them for breakfast or as a dessert. It's a lovely recipe that we all love. If you like it, please subscribe and like this video. You can find more recipes like this on this channel or at allnutritious.com. Either way, have a lovely day, take care, and bye-bye.